some milk.
What's good, Neka Squad? It's your girl Neka and I'm back with another video. As usual, you know I gotta leave y'all with the motivational quote, and today's motivational quote is, listen, I think I found the edge control. I even left it in the bag. Look at this pretty bag. Like, it came like this and I used it like probably twice. Anyways, this is how the edge control looks. It's Bask Lather, and I heard so much good things about it. I had to try it. I must say, since trying it, I do not regret it. Like, I can tell. And one thing to remember, you guys don't even have to use that much. I'm about to show you guys how I fix my hair, but before I jump into today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how long this really lasts. So I did a little experiment so that way I'm not coming on here and showing y'all anything or telling any lies or anything. And this video is not sponsored, by the way. This is one of the best, and I've tried all of them. You name it, I've tried it, and it still get my edges like super white, and it doesn't last that long. I'm gonna show you a video and you're gonna see how long it actually does last. So still in place. I'm back at work and these edges are still intact. Damn, that's crazy. But yeah, this is how it's going so far. I slept on it and everything, and these edges are still back. I kind of look raggedy now because I'm at work, so that's why I'm using a filter, but I'm gonna show you guys a close-up without filter. Look at that, no filter. This is edges. I slept on this hair. All I did this morning was wake up and flat iron the top part of it. But look, no moving. It's not going nowhere. But to the front part here, like minimal white. Like, it is perfect. I've never had an edge control that does this. Like, what? And this is no filter. No filter. This is day 2. I just woke up. I'm about to show you guys how these edges are looking. Okay, so this is the result. Still there. A little bit of crusting going on, but still not as bad as them other edge control. I'm gonna wash this out and redo it. Day 2. Now that you guys see how long it actually does last, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I sleek my hair down with it, and just show you how little you can use. Like, this will last you a whole lot, and a lot of people might be like,
it's a little on the expensive side for edge control.
Girl, it is not. Like, this will last you a while because you do not have to use that much in your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I sleek it down, and then we will come back on the end results and y'all can tell me what you think.
Oh, somebody! Oh, he needs some milk.